Good afternoon, dear student. Now today we will start exercise 14.6. Question number first, draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Okay. First we draw a ray OP. Okay. Now take O as center. We cut an arc which cut the OP. Now cut the OP at point A. Now with take A as center, we cut another arc, cut the previous arc at point B. Now from B we cut another arc which cut the previous arc at point C. Now we bisect BC. We draw bisector of BC. Okay, and this is our 90 degree angle. Okay, now we bisect BD. We take half and more distance of BD. Okay, now this point is Q. When we join it, we get .75 degree angle. Now we draw the bisector of angle POQ. We take more than half distance of AQ. Okay, we cut an arc, and from this point we cut another arc, and now join as this dotted line is axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Okay, understand? First we draw any line segment or ray. Okay, now we name it O P. Now with the help of protractor we draw an angle of 147 degree. 45, 46, 47. Okay, now this angle is 147 degree. Now take O as center. We draw an arc which cut the line OP and OQ. Now we take more than half distance of this arc, cut another arc in this way. This is the perpendicular dotted line is this is the bisector this is the bisector of angle POQ. Okay. Now question number 3. First we draw any line segment. Okay. Now name it A, B. Take A as center. We draw any arc of any radius which cut the AB at point C. Now with same distance we cut another arc and one more arc. Now we do in this way we made right angle. Okay, this is of measurement 90 degree. Now to construct bisector of right angle, we take more than half distance here and cut one arc at C. Take C as center and another arc from D. Take D as center. Now join at the point T. Now join A. A is perpendicular bisector of right angle triangle BAD. Okay. Understand? Now question number 4. First we draw any line segment. Okay. AB, and with the help of protractor we draw an angle of measurement 153 degree. 150, 1, 2, 3. Now angle BAC 153 degree. Now take any arc, any radius and cut an arc. Cut AB and AC at the point D and E. Now we draw bisector of angle BAC. We take more than half distance from this arc. Okay, now join it. This is the point F. Now again draw the bisector of angle BAF. Take more than half distance. Cut one arc from here, another arc from here. Okay. Now join it. Now again we draw bisector of angle CAF. Cut and one arc from here and another arc from here. This is the point G, and now this is the point H. In this way we divide an angle of measure 150 degree in 4 equal parts. Okay. Now question number 5. Construct with ruler and compass angle of following measures. Okay. First, A angle 60 degree. First we draw any line segment. Okay. AB. Take A as center and take any radius in compass. Draw an arc which cut the AB at point C. Now from C we take C as center, we cut another arc with same radius, and now angle BAD is of measurement 60 degree. Okay. For 30 degree angle we draw an arc, we draw a line segment of any measurement, name it PQ, and take P as center. With any radius we draw an arc which cut PQ at point R. Take R as center, we cut another arc, and this is the angle of measure 60 degree. Now measure of angle 60 degree. Now we take more than half distance of this arc and cut another arc from R and one more arc from this point as T. Okay. Now join this angle PQPT of measurement 30 degree. Understand? Now we make an angle of 90 degree. First we draw any line segment. AB and take A as center. We cut an arc with same radius, we cut another arc in this way. Now again we cut it, and this is the angle of measurement 90 degree. Okay. Now for 120 degree, first we draw a line segment. Again AB and take A as center, draw an arc and cut two more arcs in this way. Now join B, C and D. Now join AD. This angle is of measurement 190 degree. Understand? Now for 45 degree, first we make a, an angle of measurement 90 degree. We draw a line segment and then measure an angle of 90 degree this way. And now join it with dotted line and draw the bisector of this angle. Take more than half distance and this angle is of measurement 45 degree. Okay. For 135 degree we draw a line. Okay, PQ and take any point O on it. Now take O as center. We draw an arc which cut the AQ at two different points. Now first we draw a 90 degree angle. Okay, and now join OQ. R and draw the bisector of angle POR. In this way. Which cut the point at S. Now angle QOS is of measurement 135 degree. Understand? Now in question number 6, draw an angle of measurement 45 degree and bisect it. First we draw an angle of measurement 90 degree. We draw any line segment and draw a 90 degree angle. We take the radius and cut an arc with same radius and the arcs in this way. Now join it. This is the angle of measurement 90 degree. Now bisect this angle. Now join. This is the angle of measurement 45 degree. Now we draw the bisector of 45 degree. Take more than half distance of this arc and we cut the arc in this way. Now join it with dotted line. This is the bisector of angle 45 degree. Understand? Now question number 7, draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. First we draw a line segment, line PQ and take any point O on it. Take O as center. Draw an arc of any radius which cut the PQ at two different points R and S. Now take S as center. We cut an arc and another arcs in this way. and this is an angle of 90 degree. Okay, now we draw the bisector of this 90 degree angle. Take more than half distance, cut it in this way. Now join it. And name the angle T. Now angle QOT is of measurement 135 degree. Now we draw the bisector of angle QOT. Okay. We take more than half distance, cut an arc. Another arc. U. Now dotted line OU is bisector of angle 135 degree. Understand? Now in question number 8, draw an angle of 70 degree, make a copy of it and using only a straight edge and compass. First we draw any line segment and we make an angle of measurement 70 degree with the help of protractor. Angle of measurement 70 degree. Okay, now we copy it. We make a line segment, any measurement, and name it angle A, B and C of measurement segment. We take B as center. We cut an arc. With same radius we cut another arc from this point and take this distance in compass. We cut the arc from here, and this is the copy of angle 70 degree. Okay, understand? Now angle PQR is the copy of angle ABC. Now question number 9, draw an angle of 40 degree, copy its supplementary angle. First we draw an angle of measurement 40 degree with the help of protractor. This way, the line segment, and from this 40 degree. Name it angle PQR of measurement 40 degree. Understand? Now we take we draw a line segment, line AB. Take any point C here. Now take any radius in compass and take Q as center. We draw an arc this way. Now from C draw an arc of same radius with same radius. Okay, now measure this distance with the help of compass from one points, cut it. Now this is the measure angle BCD is of measure 40 degree, and this is its supplementary angle of measurement 140 degree. Okay, in this way we draw. Thank you, student.